morning students. Today, now we will discuss class 6 chapter algorithm and flowchart. So, what is the use of algorithm and what is the use of flowchart in your daily life? So, we will discuss what is the algorithm, then we will discuss flowchart. So, firstly, what is algorithm? Algorithm, it is a step-by-step procedure to solve any problem is called algorithm. So step by step. In the flowchart is a pictorial representation of any logical or mathematical problem to solve. That is called the flowchart. So now we will discuss flowchart. Flowchart. In the flowchart pictorial representation. A flowchart is a pictorial representation flowchart is a pictorial flowchart is a pictorial representation of steps to solve any problem. To solve any problem. Just like in your daily life, how to make a tea, how process of making a tea. So you describe each and every step using the pictorial representation. So how to start pictorial representation? The first question is that in our daily life we carry our certain steps in sequential order to perform a task, get a desired output. Just like as a process of brushing teeth in your daily life, you all in the morning do the brush. So the write the steps one by one brushing teeth. The first one is the process of brushing teeth. Write the process of brushing teeth. Write the process of brushing teeth. So one by one, the first step is the take brush from the shelf. The first step is take brush from the shelf. Then turn on the tap of your wash basin. Turn on the tap. Turn on the tap of your wash basin. Turn on the tap of your wash basin. Next, rinse, brush and turn off the tap. Rinse, brush and turn off the tap. Next one, apply toothpaste on the brush. Apply toothpaste on the brush. Then start brushing your teeth. Then start brushing your teeth. Clean the brush and rinse your mouth. Next step, take tongue cleaner, which is a tongue cleaner. Then the step is the take tongue cleaner, then clean your tongue. Okay, got it? Then rinse smooth again. Finally, you get the desired result: shiny white teeth and clean mouth. Okay. So similarly, to solve any problem on a computer, we analyze and understand the nature of the problem first. Nature of the problem, we plan the input and apply some methods step by step to get the desired result. So simply we discussed earlier, so what is the algorithm? The step by step procedure to solve any problem is called the algorithm. Now we will discuss algorithm. What is the algorithm? In one line, it is a step-by-step procedure to solve any problem is called algorithm. But algorithm is a set of sequence steps to solve any logical or mathematical problem. Algorithm is always written in simple language and precise manner so that anyone can understand easily and step to step. So, example of algorithm 2, set your school bag. The first question is that how to set your school bag. Write the algorithm. Write the algorithm to set your school bag. Write the algorithm to set your school bag. The first step is open the bag. Which step? Step first is the to step 1. To open the bag. To open the bag. First step to open the bag, and second, take out your school diary. Simply take out your school diary. Then see the timetable. Take out second step to take out school diary. Then set the timetable. Step 3, set the timetable, and step 4, go to your book. In the next step, go to your book shelf and take out the book and notebooks. Step third, see the timetable, and step 4, go to your book shelf. Step 4. Step 3, see the timetable. Step 4, After that, seeing the timetable, then go to your book shelf. Then step 5. Step 5. Take out the books and notebooks. Take out the books and notebook. Then after the selection of books and notebooks, you keep them in bag. Keep them in bag. Then close the bag. The last step is the close the bag. Step 7. Close the bag. Got it? These steps easier to solve any problem using the algorithm. Got it? So algorithm is a precise rules specifying how to solve some problems. Then another example, you doing a homework, algorithm to calculate the sum and average of 3 numbers. Write the algorithm to calculate the sum and average of 3 numbers. Simple formula आपको अगर पता होगा, you know very well what is the how to sum any 2 numbers or 3 numbers, what is the average of 3 numbers. So firstly simple, input first number A, input second number B, input third number C. The question is that the sum of 3 numbers, then find the average of 3 numbers. So we will find first the sum of 3 numbers, then find the sum of 3 numbers, find the sum of 3 numbers A plus B plus C. Got it? Simple. These steps: input first number A, input second number B, input third number C, then find the sum of 3 numbers A plus B plus C. This is the algorithm. Find and print, then stop. After that, stop. This is the sum of 3 numbers. Then if you want to find the average of some numbers, average of 3 numbers, the 2 steps are increased here. The first one is find the average. To find the average, in a mathematics, the find the any number in mathematics, you know very well how to find the average. To find the average of numbers, what is the formula? Sum of numbers upon sum of numbers upon total number, upon total number. Got it? That's the formula. Apply in the algorithm, then print, yeah, stop easily. Okay, so write the one question and solve yourself. Algorithm to compare two numbers and find the greater one. Your question is the write the algorithm to compare two numbers and find the average. Okay, thank you class. We will meet tomorrow in discuss the flowchart. What is the flowchart?